Analog Way, pioneer in analog, leader in digital. Welcome to the DVentiX II training video. DVentiX II is a powerful multi-layer, high-resolution mixer, scaler, seamless switcher with edge blending processing. This powerful device offers numerous live effects, such as cut, fade, keying, logo insertion, and PIP possibilities. It offers 8 multi-format inputs, which can handle SDTV, ED and HDTV, 3G, HD, and SD/SDI formats, as well as computer resolutions up to 2K. Input connectivity includes 16 various plugs, such as 4 DVI inputs, 4 3G, HD, or SDI inputs, 4 multi-format HD15 inputs, 4 sets of BNC inputs. For external control, it offers RS-232 and LAN connections, as well as 2 device sync plugs for use with other DVentiX II units. Depending on your choice of resolution, preview and main outputs can be available over DVI, analog VGA, or SDI simultaneously. Additional video and audio board options are also available for the DVentiX II. The DVentiX II features 3G input and output capabilities, full digital processing, and is HTTP compatible with the ability to toggle the HTTP features. Please note, the following menu close-ups in this video reveal a periodic scan due to the non-synchronization between the camera and the DVentiX II's VFD display. This is not visible during normal use. How to clear any previous settings. To erase settings left by a previous operator, navigate in the Control menu to Control, Erase Memories, Erase All. This will erase all image memories from the device. Next, navigate to Default Values and select Yes. This will reset all other settings to their factory defaults. After the reset is completed, the device will reboot. The entire process can take around 30 seconds. How to adjust the output resolution. To adjust the output resolution, select in the menu Output, then Output Format, and you'll be presented with a list of available output resolutions. Once an output resolution is selected, you'll be taken to the Output Rate menu. Choose your desired output rate, press Set to confirm. How to enable a test pattern. To enable a test pattern, select Menu, then Output, then scroll down to Test Pattern, and select which output you want to address. Select the test pattern and press Set, and the test pattern will appear on the desired output. To adjust the other output, press Menu to go back, then choose Preview, then choose another test pattern. To turn off the test pattern, navigate to Test Patterns and choose Off, and the test pattern will disappear. You can change the test pattern individually on each output. How to configure your inputs. To configure the inputs automatically, press Menu and scroll down to Input, and then select Auto Setting and Yes to confirm. The Auto Setting feature will scan each input and determine the most appropriate signal type based on what source it sees. This process can take several seconds. If you wish to adjust the input formats detected by the automatic configuration, or you wish to manually adjust the inputs, you can also easily do so. To manually adjust the input format, select Menu, navigate to Input, then select the input number that you wish to adjust. Select the plug you'll be using, and then check the box to confirm this as your default plug. Select Type and choose the most appropriate input format. For example, SDEDHDYUV for component signals. The layer system. The DVentiX II has 8 layers available. 1 frame or background layer, which can be used to display captured frame sources. 4 live video layers, labeled A, B, C, and D, to be used as full screen sources or PIPs. 2 logo layers, which can be used to display company emblems. And 1 mask frame layer. The mask frame is a unique feature of the DVentiX II, which is especially useful in custom projection. It consists of a mask shape stored to the DVentiX II, which is then displayed on top of your normal image. The resulting image reveals a custom projection shape, which can be displayed on irregular surfaces. How to display a source. To display a source from the front panel, select the Preview button, then select the layer you wish to work with. Select an input on the preview row. If the source is available, you'll see the source in the preview. Press Take to view the result in the main output. How to switch sources. To switch your source, first select the layer you wish to switch, then select the new source on the preview row. Press Take to view the result on the main screen. How to display a PIP. To display a PIP, start by selecting a new layer, then select a source. Press the layer again to access the layer properties, and change your border parameters, such as border size, transparency, color, border type, and so on. When you are finished, press Set, and then Take to view the result on the main screen. You can change the border properties by selecting them in the menu, and then select Take to view the result. There are many different options available. How to change layer parameters. To change layer parameters, start by selecting the layer you wish to adjust. This will bring up the layer properties in the menu. Select Layer Adjust for size and position of the PIP, and choose a parameter to adjust. Once you start making adjustments, you'll see the borders of the PIP change on the preview screen. When you are satisfied with your position and size selection, press Set to go back to the layer properties. To choose a new opening effect, select Opening Effect, and choose a desired effect. Press Menu to go back, and choose a new closing effect. Press Set to confirm your selection. When you are satisfied, press Take and view the result on the main screen. How to clear a layer. To clear a layer, start by selecting the layer you wish to clear. Then select Black as the source. You can also select another layer and choose a new source before pressing Take. When you press Take, the layer you cleared will use the closing effect to remove itself from the screen. How to record a logo or a frame. In Analog Ways vocabulary, a frame is a full screen capture, while a logo is a small partial screen capture, such as a company emblem. Frames and logos cannot be resized after being captured. So, start by displaying the image as you would like to see it on the main output. Let's start by storing a frame. To store a frame, start with the image you'd like to capture on the main output, and optionally freeze it by pressing Shift Freeze. Navigate in the menu to Logos and Frames, and select Record Frame, Record, and choose a frame number to record to. Then press Set to store the frame. This process can take a varying amount of time, depending on the output resolution. Next, let's store a logo. To store a logo, start by displaying the source that you wish to capture from at the size you wish to capture it at on the main screen. Next, navigate down to Logos and Frames and select Record Logo. Select Position Size Adjustment to reposition the white box that defines the logo capture area. Make your selections and press Set to confirm. When you are satisfied, scroll down to Store and Erase and choose a logo number to store on. Press Store Logo, and your logo will be captured. This process can take about 30 seconds. How to display a captured frame and logo. To display a captured frame, start by clearing the live video layers on top of the frame. Then select the background frame layer and select from your captured frames. Press Take to view the result on the program screen. To display another layer such as a logo on top, select Logo and then select your logo source that you've already captured. To reposition the logo, select the logo layer, then give the logo a new position. You can also change the transparency of the logo. Be sure to press Set to validate your selection. Just like a live layer, you can give your logo an opening and closing transition. Select Opening Transition, select Type, and select from the available transitions. When you press Take, your logo will appear with the new transition. How to combine a background frame, PIPs, and logo. Start by selecting a background frame and select the frame number. Then select a live video layer and select a video source. You can make adjustments to the size and position by selecting the layer and select Layer Adjustments. Choose a new horizontal and vertical position and size. Press Set to confirm your selection. If you select a layer that's already been adjusted previously, those adjustments will come back the next time you select the layer. Press Take to view the result on the program screen. How to set up 4 PIPs on a background frame. The DVentiX II can display up to 4 live video layers on a background frame. To start, select a background frame as previously described. Then, select each live video layer and select a live video source. You can make adjustments to the position of each layer by selecting each layer and then select Layer Adjust. You can manually dial in each position and size using the layer adjustments, or in the menu under Preset Templates, you can choose from the pre-configured DVentiX II templates. When you are satisfied with your selection, press Take to view the result on the program screen. How to set up the aspect ratio. To change the aspect ratio of a source, start by selecting the Source button to bring up the image menu. Select Aspect Out and choose a new aspect ratio. For example, Centered will scale the image to fit but may generate black bars. Crop will scale the image to get rid of the black bars but may crop part of the image off the screen. Full Screen will stretch the image both H and V, but may distort the image. 1:1 will display the source unscaled. How to set up a LUMA or CHROMA key. To set up a LUMA or CHROMA key, start by selecting a PIP layer above the video layer you wish to key over. Select the source you wish to use as your keyed text, then use the layer adjustments to position this layer where you'd like the key text to appear. Depending on your keyed text, you may wish to position this layer as a lower third or as a full screen image. To configure your keying, use the Keying menu. Press Menu and scroll down to Keying and Titling. Then check the box that says Keying Enable to turn on keying. Confirm your layer under Keying Layer. Then select Keying Type and choose between LUMA and CHROMA. Today we'll be using LUMA as we're keying away white and black. Try the Keying Invert to see if you want to key away dark selections or light selections. To automatically adjust the keying, choose Picture Grabber and aim the crosshairs at a section you'd like to see keyed away. Press Set to confirm your selection, and then press Take to view the result on the main screen. When you exit the keying menu, the crosshairs will disappear. To manually adjust the keying settings instead of using the grabber, enter the Keying and Titling menu, turn on the keying, select the keying layer, select the keying type, and then manually adjust the keying level. Your LUMA adjustment will key away parts of the image. Press Set to confirm your selection and Take to view the result. How to save a preset. To save a preset, navigate down to Preset in the menu and select Preset Copy. Choose where you wish to save from and to, and Yes to confirm. Mem1 will save your preset in memory slot number 1. Let's save a second preset. First, make a change to your program screen or preview screen. Then use the preset menu and select a new source and destination for the preset save. Press Yes to confirm your selection to save preset number 2. Let's now recall a preset. To recall a preset, use the preset buttons on the front panel. Pressing the preset button will recall your preset to the preview screen. Press Take to view the preset on the main screen. You can quickly toggle between two different looks using the presets. How to adjust the format of your video output board. If your DVentiX II is equipped with the optional video output board, navigate in the menu to Video Out. Then select Output Format and choose from the 91 available output formats. You could choose a computer format, which will be available on the DVI plug, or a video format, which will be available on the other plugs. Select your output format and then choose from the available output rates for this format. Press Set to confirm your selection. You can also display test patterns exclusively on the Video Out by choosing Video Out Test Pattern. For more information, see our user's manual, or go on our website at www.analogway.com or contact our technical support department. Thank you for viewing.